staff member will often greet you right away. They might say something like, "Hello, how are you today?" Or, "Hi there, let me know if you need anything."
Right. And this is where a lot of learners freeze up because they're not expecting that immediate interaction. They walk in thinking they'll just browse quietly, and suddenly someone's talking to them. So here's a really simple response that works almost every time. Thank you, I'm just looking around. Or even simpler, thanks, just browsing.
Yes, and you know what's important here? You don't have to engage in a long conversation. A polite, short response is perfectly fine. "I'm okay, thank you," works beautifully. The key is to acknowledge them without feeling pressure.